So we were discussing about the conversation between Mr. Lamb and Dairy. We ended yesterday at scene 1 when both of them were talking about physical disability or physical impairment and how it affects person's life. As far as Mr. Lam is concerned, he has no effect. He is quite happy, positive person. His outlook is quite broad, very sensible, humanistic, sympathetic, free from negativity and everything. But in spite of that, Derry have a complex because of his burnt face, and he thought that he was the ugliest person on the earth. Meeting of Derry and Mr. Lamb was like the meeting of two antipoles, having all together different thinking with each other. And now at this point, that now we are going to read scene 2, when in scene 1 at a while Derry remembered his mother, that his mother is waiting for him. It's quite a long time here in the garden, and he promised Mr. Lamb that he will return back after meeting his mother. Okay, clear? Just wait. Okay, now nobody is in the waiting area till now. Okay, now see, now this is scene 2. See, we ended here at this point when Derry said that I am going, but I will come back. You see and you wait. Who is you here? Okay, Lamb. Yes, Mr. Lamb. I am will come back. You see, you wait. I can run. I have got it. I haven't got a 10 leg. I will be back. Okay. So now see. Scene 2. Derry's house. You think mother. Now conversation between mother and Derry. Derry thought that his mother loves him, and that too on the other side of the face, not on burnt side. See, mother, you think I don't know about him, you think. That means you have to keep in mind this thing that Derry had already told about his conversation with Mr. Lamb to mother. That's why now she asked, you think I don't know about him? Him here means Mr. Lamb. I think I haven't heard things. You think I haven't heard things. That means you think, Derry, that I am not experienced or I have not heard things about the people, kind of people, or about Mr. Lamb. Derry said, you shouldn't believe all you hear, mother. That means actually till this point of the life, Derry had faced only criticism, and nobody appreciated him in his entire life. Mr. Lamb was the first person who talked to him in the positive manner. That's why Derry said to his mother, you shouldn't believe all you hear. That is what I'm going to tell you, mother. Been told. Yes, you have been told me oftentimes, warned. I am warning you, Derry, that don't come into the talks of. Yes, Jaskirat has raised the hand. Please type your query in the chat box, beta. So being told means you have told so many things about so many people. I'm warning you, Daddy, that don't now come into the talks of Mr. Lamb, because till this point, mother did not know that what Mr. Lamb told to Derry. We have not lived here 3 months, but I know what there is to know, and you are not to go back there. That means there are unknown people in this world, and you don't know how, you don't want to go back, Derry. Then what are you afraid of, mother? What do you think he is? What kind of person, what sort of person Mr. Lamb is? An old man with a tin leg, and he lives in a huge house without curtains and has a garden. And I want to be there and sit and listen to things, listen and look. That means Daddy told his mother that he had enjoyed his time while in the garden of Mr. Lamb. Mother, listen to what? Now see here, response of Daddy. Be singing. Word highlighted here is singing, not humming. Him talking, Mr. Lamb talking to me. That means at this point you see changed view of Daddy little bit about life. Mother, and what's he got to say to you? Very, very important 2 marks of statement question. Please underline this line. Must come question for your board exams. Who said this to whom and why? Things that matter, things nobody else has ever said, things I want to think about. See, this is very, very important 2 marks of question, because now 40 marks of objective paper is there. 1 marks के questions है आपके. So things that matter, things nobody else has ever said to me in my life, mother. Things I want to think about. That means whatever Mr. Lamb talked about, Daddy had a great impact on his mind and heart. He was really appreciated Mr. Lamb, and now in front of his mother, he's again appreciating the words told by Mr. Lamb to him, which nobody else had ever talked or told to him in his entire life. And things I want to think about, I want to listen those things, but nobody talked to me like that. I hope clear point is clear, beta. Mark this line. Nobody is responding. Okay, see, things that matter, things nobody else has ever said, things I want to think about. So these are those things, that conversation which was between Dairy and Lamb, because Mr. Lamb is the first man in his life who talked about him in a positive way. Nobody else has ever said those things to Dairy, positive things, or not to think about his face every time and this and that. Things I want to think about. Mother, then you stay here and do your thinking. You are best of here. But mother is insisting on this point that don't go away anywhere, sit here. It is better that you should stay here only. Daddy, I hate it here. That means now Daddy having a curiosity in his mind. He has a curiosity that he wanted to go back to Mr. Lamb as soon as possible. Only person in his life by whom he was impressed. Mother, you can't help the things you say. I forgive you. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you. That means I don't blame you, Daddy. There are so many bad things you always listen during your life. But Daddy said it's got nothing to do with my face. Now see this point. First time statement of Daddy has changed. It's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. Now, children, you notice here at this point that now at this point, Dari's views out towards the outlook of life have been changed. It's got nothing to, because before this point he was always thinking about his burnt face, but this line is quite different. It's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. I don't care about that. Somebody in the waiting area, okay. I don't care about that and it isn't important. It's what I think. See, underline this whole paragraph and write down at the side that the changed thinking of of Derry after the conversation with Mr. Lamb. Please note down in your books side by side by marking this paragraph. So here, changed thinking of Derry, person having a negative outlook towards life, has now been changed with the conversation with Mr. Lamb. It's what I think and feel and what I want to see and find out and hear. And mother, I am going back there only to help him with the crab apples. That means to pluck apples, ripened apples of Mr. Lamb. Only to look at things and listen, but I am going. Mother, you will stop here. Daddy, oh no, because if I don't go back there, again 2 marks of statement question, I will never go anywhere in this world again. Daddy wanted to meet Mr. Lamb at any cost because he thought that I will never go anywhere in this world again if I will not meet Daddy, Mr. Lamb now. The door slams, Daddy runs, panting, gasping with a, you can say, heavy intaking of the breath, panting. And I want the world, I want it, I want it. And I want it, I want it, I want to meet Mr. Lamb. The sound of his panting fades. Scene 3, Mr. Lamb's garden. Now again, Derry came back into Mr. Lamb's garden. Mr. Lamb's garden, garden sounds, the noise of a branch shifting, apple thumping down. Now see, there is one query, wanted to repeat last line. See, last line is, if I don't go back there, if I will not meet now Mr. Lamb and thank him for whatever he has done with for my entire life, I will never go anywhere in this world. That means then I will not able to change myself. If I will not satisfy by my heart if I will not able to thank Mr. Lamb at this point. So to thank him and to meet him once again, I have to go back. Daddy told this to his mother. Okay. Mr. Lamb's garden. Garden sounds. The noise of a branch shifting, apple thumping down, branch shifting. That means rustling or sounds of the leaves or branches of the apple tree. Mr. Lamb, now see, study, that's got it. That's it. And again, that's it. See, at this point, Mr. Lamb was on the ladder. He was in a process of plucking apples from the tree. And at once, what happened? Ladder fall down. A creak, a crash. The ladder falls down back. Mr. Lamb with it, thumping sound, huge thumping sound. The branch swishes back. That means once again, Mr. Lamb was having one branch in the hands and it goes back up and down. Creaks, then silence. Daddy opens the garden gate, still panting. And now see the point, when Daddy is entering into the garden at the gate, at that particular point, Mr. Lamb's ladder fell onto the ground and he died. Daddy, you see, Mr. Lamb, I came back. You said I wouldn't, and they said, but I came back, Mr. Lamb. I wanted I wanted means to talk to you, to thank you for whatever you have told me or changed the outlook of life for me. He stops dead. Mr. Lamb, Mr. Lamb, you have. Mr. Lamb, he runs through the grass, stops, kneels means sit with the knees, bent knees. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. You fell. I'm here, Mr. Lamb. It's all right. I came back, Lamby Lamb. I did came back. And at this point, Daddy died. Mr. Lamb, sorry, died, and Daddy begins to weep. So see, here is the end of the chapter, that in the end, Mr. Lamb died. But before his death, he had taught one of the important lesson to Daddy. That means message into the plot of the play is that scars do not change a person. And listen carefully, and handicaps must be accepted by individuals and society. With a burnt face, Daddy had to face discrimination, because of which he had turned pessimistic in his life, in his thinking. So he had started hating people around him, and had concluded that everyone hated him too because of his face. But before the death, Mr. Lamb taught him an important lesson of optimism or positive outlook of the life. So that's why we can say Daddy when meets Mr. Lamb, a person who looks things in a positive way, he points out that one green plant is considered desirable, other is weed. It is your interpretation, Daddy, that how you take things. So he teaches Daddy to not to look at his burnt face as a disability, and try to, yes, Mr. Lamb died because of ladder falls. Yes, Vineet. And see, Derry, what I'm saying, he teaches Derry not to look at his burnt face as a disability, and try to overcome it just as he had dealt with his tin leg. Very important thing in the chapter. So the moral is very clear that people who are physically disabled should not be isolated or alienated. Actually, they need our sympathy and our love, care, and understanding much more. So we should help them expand their social interactions, okay? And help them fight loneliness, depression, and disappointment. And Mr. Lamb tells Daddy that it all depends upon your perception, that how you take life. Get a point, dear children? Tell me. See, Derry always object of other people's hatred, okay, inferiority complex in him. He was sensitive at heart, tender at heart. He wants to be loved by anyone. And fortunately, he meets Mr. Lamb, who transformed him into a healing touch, you can say, who transformed him into a good person in a life. Okay? Title is also quite justifiable. I have already told you about the title on the face of it, that uh, outside person's face is just, you can say, uh, very perceptive thing, very simple thing. It is what you inside that matters a lot. Okay, do not try to judge the contents from the envelope, from the outer side. It is important to read that content. It is important to go through that content. Yes, there is one question. If you feel and broke your neck and die. Before Derry came, he said that if you feel, come your neck and die. Yes, because they are, this is the interpretation, Twinkle, that they're talking about this and that thing. So this is one of the type part of a conversation between Derry and Lamb. Okay, so there is one very important 6 marks of question, and it will be very easy for you. Compare and contrast character sketch of Mr. Lamb and Derry. Will you be able to do that? Yes or no? Shall I tell you some points for this? Yes, Mr. Lamb, again. What kind of person? Bright, cheerful, normal. You can note down the points. who has nothing to do with his tin leg, lonely person. He's old, his outlook, his opinion is like a very different from others, pure, gold at heart. Okay, so these are the characters. He does not reject weeds. Weeds has also importance for Mr. Lamb. Okay, he accepts everything as a God's creation. He is wise man, sensible man, humanistic. I have already told you so many things. You can note down the points. Sympathetic person. Optimistic means positive outlook towards life. There, in spite of that, instead of that, Derry opposite to him, because 14-year-old childhood accident damaged his face. He was completely disfigured due to acid burn, and that gave this boy a whole life of complex. He started believing that he was the ugliest person. He's the ugliest person on the earth. Everyone is afraid of him. Nobody loves him. He had no faith in anyone. He is a kind of frightened person. But uh, Derry was from top to bottom full of negativity. Okay, so Mr. Lamb is responsible to remove all negativity and makes Derry normal and whole person in the life once again. Any question if you want to have, Bita, in this chapter? I hope things are getting clear. I will send you the question answers of this chapter to you in the class group. First of all, read now line to line from NCERT, this chapter. There is one important question. What is the bond that unites the two? See, this is very important question. Let me now see, students are entering now also. See, what is the bond which unites the two? This is commonly asked question in the board exams from this chapter. What is the bond? It is a bond of physical impairment. That means both are physically impaired. Okay. Yes, you can write down the incidents as a proof, but importance is that you have to highlight the characters of both the person. And I think everything is clear to you now. Okay, so bond of physical impairment unites the two. Both are physically impaired, but both having a totally different outlook towards the life. So it is, question is bond that unites the two, compare and contrast character sketches, and title of the story. These three are the important 6 marks of question from this chapter. So today's session, I think chapter is over. I hope you're getting my points. I'm going to end the session for today because your chapter is complete now. I hope. Yes or no? Clear everything? Okay, now next Zoom class most probably beta will be on Monday with the new chapter. Now for next 2 days, I'm going to send you written material. Please, it's my request to get 100 marks in English. You have to read NCERT book line to line. That is very important. Okay? Okay, bye all of you. We'll meet next time.